So now we're going to talk about more complicated permutation and combination problems where you're going to have multiple things happening. So if you ever have an or situation where it's one thing or another, they can't both happen at the same time, you're going to add. And if you have an and situation where two things could happen at the same time, you're going to multiply. So you are forming a 12-member team from 15 girls and 10 boys. The team must consist of 7 girls and 5 boys. So what's happening is we are choosing some girls and we are choosing some boys for our team. So I am doing those two things at the same time. So this is an and situation. So I have two different combinations. I have my combination of girls and I have my combination of boys. And so I'm going to multiply the combination of girls with the combination of boys. Okay, so I have 15 total girls to choose from. And I need 7 girls on my team, so I'm going to choose 7 of those 15 girls. I have 10 total boys to choose from, and I'm going to choose 5 of those boys for my team. So I have 15 choose 7 girls, I have 15 choose 7 ways to choose my girls, and I have 10 choose 5 ways to choose my boys. So how many different 12-member teams are possible? I'm going to just multiply those two combinations. 15 choose 7 is 6,435. And 15 choose 5 is 252. So when I multiply those two, I'll get 1,621,620 different 12-member teams that are possible. So over 1 million different teams could be chosen. Part B says how many different 12-member teams are possible if Henry and Harrison must be on the team. So what's happening is Henry and Harrison are both boys. So of those 5 boys that are going to be on the team, we have 2 that are locked in. So we have our girls, so we know we have 7 girls, so we still have 15 choose 7 girls. But then we have to choose Henry. We have to put Henry on the team. And then we have to choose Harrison. And then we have the other 3 boys that have to be on our team. So we have our girls. We have to put Henry on the team. He's a shoo-in. We have to put Harrison on the team. And then we're going to have 3 more boys since we have to have 5 boys total. Okay, so the question is, how many total Henrys are there? There is 1 Henry. And we have to choose him. So it's 1, choose 1. I have 1 Henry, and I have to choose Henry for the team. Same thing with Harrison. I have 1 Harrison's, and I have to choose that 1 Harrison to be on the team. 1, choose 1. So what that means is I started with 10 possible boys to choose from. I chose Henry, so that means I had 9 boys left to choose from, and then I also had to choose Harrison. So right now I have 8 boys left to be chosen because I already chose 2 of them, 2 of the 10. And then I have already taken 2 of my 5 boy spots with Henry and Harrison, which means I only have 3 other boys left to choose. So 15 choose 7 is still 6,435. 1 choose 1 is 1. There's only 1 way to choose Henry. 1 choose 1 for Harrison. There's only 1 way to choose Harrison. And then 8 choose 3 is 56. So when I multiply, I'll get 360,360. So there's 360,360 ways to choose my team if Henry and Harrison must be on that team.